Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee oil for hair growth. This natural remedy can be a wonderful addition to your hair care routine. Coffee oil is known to stimulate hair follicles, encouraging new growth and strengthening existing strands. It also helps improve blood circulation to your scalp, delivering vital nutrients. Plus, the antioxidants found in coffee work to protect your hair from environmental damage, leading to a healthier, more vibrant mane. Before we begin, let's gather our simple ingredients and supplies. You'll need about 1/4 cup of finely ground coffee. Fresh grounds work best for maximum potency. Next, select a good quality carrier oil. Popular choices include olive oil, coconut oil, or jojoba oil, each offering its own benefits. You'll also need a clean, heat-safe glass jar with a tight-fitting lid and a fine mesh strainer or some cheesecloth for later. Now let's get to the heart of making your coffee oil. First, combine your 1/4 cup of ground coffee with 1 full cup of your chosen carrier oil in the clean glass jar. Make sure the lid is sealed tightly, then give it a good shake to ensure everything is well mixed. Place this jar in a cool, dark spot, away from direct sunlight, and let it infuse for about 2 weeks. Remember to give it a gentle shake every other day. After 2 weeks of infusion, it's time to strain your coffee oil. Carefully pour the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a clean bowl, making sure to squeeze out every last drop of that precious oil from the coffee grounds. Once strained, transfer your homemade coffee oil into a clean, airtight container. For best results, massage a small amount into your scalp 2 to 3 times a week, leaving it on for at least 30 minutes before washing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.